Hello everyone. I wanted to share my daughter making her model boat with you. This is my daughter Ruthie. She's 13 years old. And my other daughter Ellie, which she works here. There's my workstation. There's Ellie. She's working on a little hillbilly hat remover. Getting it all painted up, learning how to do some painting and things. And Ruthie has built, let me show you her car she built. She built, if I can get it out without breaking it. Ruthie, hold this up. Let me get her car out that she built. She built this, if I don't get the flux capacitor wire hung in the... She's built this. So she built this, look at the detail she put in it. The wiring and all the painting, and she's got the interior all done up. Back to the Future. Yeah, I couldn't think of the name of it. But she worked real hard working on this one, and she finished it, and we picked up a boat. We picked her up a boat, or a ship, I say, or whatever this is. Looks like a ship to me, big boat, from one of the department stores where we live called Ollie's. It's a discount store. So we got her this, and she's been working on it, and she's detailing it up. And this kit came out in the 50s, and I believe they've used the same directions or instructions since then, because they're pretty, a lot of reading to do on these. But she's doing a good job. She's just broke it. It just fell off the
I didn't glue it.
She just has it setting on the stand. But yeah, she's got her boats detailed. We two-toned it, which she's going to do some weathering, and we'll do another video when she's done with it. But she's got it weathered up, or she will weather it up. She's already done some dry brushing on the planks, so they have a worn look. But she's going to get back. She's painting. I don't know what that is, but anyway, she's doing some painting right now. There's a spotlight. I can see that right there. Spotlight. She's got the crow's nest up already mounted on top, so they can see the iceberg when it's coming. But wanted to introduce you. I'm not always out here by myself. I've got two little girls that sit beside me, where she's not so little anymore. And she's getting into modeling. Just not the kind of modeling that most girls would want to get into. So anyway, we'll get back whenever she gets this done. It won't be long. She works on it quite often, so she'll have all the portholes painted. She'll have some rust on it. She'll make it look like the picture. It's got some string and everything that goes up on it, and I don't know what it's all for, but it's coming on along. We'll get back. We'll have a part 2 on this one, so you can see what the boat looks like, and we'll have it all displayed out, and hopefully it'll look like this. Have some rust. The Ann. Anyway, it's a tuna clipper, and it was made by Lindbergh, and it's a pretty good kit if you like boats. We've never built a boat, but this I think I might get me one. But anyway, all right, wrap this up. Say bye, Ruthie.
Bye.